Another, he less and less killed by desires. What I will say, the moment one becomes a manager, his desires as a clerk are all gone. Okay. Now, when you become a superintendent, desires as a manager are all gone. When you become the CEO, all the desires are gone. But I am putting it reversely. If it goes, you go there. Here, what is it there? That is, as you are kama means killed by kama. As I become less and less killed by kama, I will go higher in this hierarchy. That is, I go on saying that these kamas I am not interested. Then I go there. If I do upasana, when I do upasana, I can't be concentrating on this ananda. Well, so, Shrotriyasya akamatattva. Therefore, as desire goes on decreasing, goes there. Tevitam devatanamanda Indrasyananda Shrotriyasya akamatasya Indrasyananda Seko Brahaspatirananda Shrotriyasya akamatasya Brahaspatirananda Seko Prajapatirananda Shrotriyasya akamatasya Seko Brahmananda. With that it stops. All the levels are here. All the levels. No, Brahmananda, it is Pucha for Brahmananda also. Therefore, you understand that you are Brahman. That is when you go to the highest level, what happens is, then you don't see any difference. Everything because in Papi also he said the same thing. He said the same thing. In Punyavan also he said the same thing. Okay. Now, Samashthyatmaka upasana is also told. If you do it with desire, you will get the corresponding phala also. You will get the phala of that. But if you do it without desire, then you go to the next atma. Let me see, in Panchakoshimosha what is it we have done? The search is the following. Everybody recognizes himself as a bhokta. Remember, jnata, karta, bhokta. Karta, you investigate the sharira, say I am not the karta. Jnata, you investigate the avasthas. I am not Vaishprajna, I am not Antaprajna, I am not Prajnana. Okay. Here simply, Bhokta. Then I am not this Ananda, I am not that. Therefore, O Anamyatma, I go to the origin. The origin chosen is this Anamyatma. Everywhere it starts with Anamyatma. Then, why is it getting prompted? Pranas are pushing. Why pranas are pushing? Because Manas has told. Why Manas has told? Because Buddhi has decided to get this Ananda. Why did he decide? Because he wanted Ananda. Just I want, that's all. There is no argument there. Simply assume. Okay. Therefore, this jiva is sitting at the center enjoying everything. Really enjoyer is this. Who is the enjoyer? Pratyekatma. Because Priya also he enjoys, Moda also he enjoys, Pramoda also he enjoys, but they are all different. Therefore, obviously, who is the Bhokta? The Bhokta is one who is common in all this. Who is he? He can only be Pratyekatma. That is Bhokta. Therefore, Sushuptatma has to understand that he is Brahman. Okay. But he has no buddhi at all. No kind of buddhi. How can you understand? No. Through Bahishprajna. So just as he asked her, go and eat. Like that. You Pratyekatma asked, go, investigate. Therefore, Bahishprajna, all the instructions are for Bahishprajna. Bahishprajna has no to decide. All this analysis is done by Bahishprajna. Then he concludes, Bahishprajna, I am limiting myself. That is the blunder I have done. Therefore, I go backwards. And backwards I go, I don't know myself. I am Bhokta, I recognize. But I don't know who I am. Therefore, follow the steps. You saw action and its results. Therefore, go to the root of action. That is in Samashti. Everywhere there is the same thing which is acting. Therefore, you went to Samashti and there went on going inside and inside. Then you realize that you are. Is it clear? So this Panchakosha Varsha is also good. You follow? So now there are only 4 small items. What's today? Saturday, is it?
Yes.
It's 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 5 days are there. We will be able to finish that. Whatever questions you have, these 5 days, go on asking and get clarification.
आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पाद शङ्करं लोकशङ्करं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः।
Sorry, I have a doubt. In the case of mantras, mantras are words consist of limited letters containing broad meanings. How is it possible to imagine such meanings and while chanting it?
No. Keeping the meaning, are you not talking now? You know the meaning of the sentence you have talked.
Okay.
Are you not talking? When you are talking, you have kept the meaning of your sentence. Similarly here also.
These broad meanings, mantras are more limited. Yes.
No. Mantra limited means not one word. Mantra is a sentence.
Okay.
Or it's a passage. Taken some 10 sentences. You concentrate on it. Meaning. Just as you are doing, no? Huh?